Today on Forbes, meet the other billionaire behind Skydance's Paramount deal. The year-long saga of Skydance Media's $8 billion Paramount takeover is fit for its own Paramount Plus miniseries. There's political intrigue, with critics slamming departing boss Shari Redstone's apparent capitulation to Donald Trump to get the deal approved, including Paramount's agreement to pay $16 million to Trump's future presidential library to resolve a lawsuit over a 60-minute segment on Kamala Harris, followed by CBS News' announcement that it was canceling popular Trump critic Stephen Colbert's late-night show in 2026, supposedly for financial reasons. Trump celebrated both announcements vociferously. Then there is the potential family intrigue worthy of a Succession spinoff. David Ellison, the Skydance founder and former Biden backer behind such films as Top Gun: Maverick and True Grit, is teaming up with his staunch Republican father, Larry Ellison, who is the second richest person in the world and founder of software giant Oracle. Flying under the radar, beneath all the high-stakes drama, is Gerry Cardinale, a private equity investor who is poised to be an influential figure in the new-look Paramount. His firm, RedBird Capital Partners, is a shareholder in Skydance, having first invested in 2020. Now the firm is putting in $1.8 billion towards the $8 billion purchase price. Cardinale will join Paramount as a director and will appoint a yet-to-be-named second director. Jeff Shell, former CEO of NBC Universal, who chairs RedBird's sports and media business, will join Paramount as president. Andy Gordon, head of RedBird's West Coast office, will become Paramount's chief operating officer and chief strategic officer. Under the new ownership structure, RedBird will hold 22.5% of Paramount's voting rights, while David Ellison will hold 50%, and Larry, who is Skydance's biggest investor, will hold the remaining 27.5%. This complicated familial financial dynamic is likely to make Cardinale a pivotal voice in scenarios where the Ellisons butt heads. Paramount will become Cardinale's highest-profile investment, but it's hardly his first big bet. In the worlds of sports, entertainment, and media, the 57-year-old investor has been striking high-stakes deals for over a quarter of a century, first at Goldman Sachs and for the last decade at RedBird, which he founded in 2014. RedBird bought Italian football club AC Milan for $1.2 billion in 2022 and agreed earlier this year to purchase British broadsheet The Telegraph for 500 million British pounds, or approximately $660 million. RedBird has backed household names like LeBron James, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, and Ben Affleck and Matt Damon in their independent entertainment ventures. The firm has also invested a smaller portion of its fund's capital, $1.5 billion, on financial services companies. RedBird's willingness to dive into the nitty-gritty of portfolio companies and their operations has helped it grow to $12 billion in assets under management, with 100 investment professionals across 6 global offices. Speaking on Bloomberg's podcast The Deal last year, Cardinale said, quote, "I like playing shadow entrepreneur and solving problems with capital." It's been a winning recipe so far. RedBird has delivered 2.5 times gross multiple of capital and a 33% internal rate of return, according to a person familiar with the matter. Cardinale owns 100% of RedBird, filings show, and Forbes estimates he is worth $1.8 billion. He declined to comment on his net worth or be interviewed for this story. The potential rewards from investing in Paramount are great, but so are the risks. Between the inexorable decline of linear television, competition between streaming platforms, an existing $14.2 billion long-term debt load, and possible viewer blowback to perceived capitulation to Trump, Paramount faces a raft of challenges under its new ownership group. From Cardinale's perspective, the new Paramount, with its more than 1,200 film titles, distribution rights to another 2,400 films, and roster of television networks emblazoned in the American viewer psyche, is the perfect candidate to receive the RedBird treatment. After the Skydance Paramount deal was announced, speaking last year on The Town, Puck founder Matthew Belloni's podcast, Cardinale said, quote, "What we do at RedBird is we look for ways of monetizing world-class IP. This is an over 100-year-old business with really high-quality intellectual property. We're not just deal guys looking to do a deal. We're not just private equity guys looking to go buy something." For full coverage, check out John Hyatt's piece on forbes.com. This is Kieran Meadows from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.